G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the subscriber meetup, so I'm super stoked. We've already got a few trucks here, which I honestly had no idea how many people to expect. We've got Caleb here, he's one of the subscribers, and yeah, it's going to be an awesome day. I'm super stoked that just to have anyone turn up. Looks like Callum's just turned up as well. You probably recognize him from a few videos, but we'll hang around, get to meet a few of you guys, and then we'll go hit the tracks.
Is it a petrol? Ooh, it's not sounding so good. Oh, okay, never mind.
Alrighty guys, so we've taken the bypass, but Callum's lined up for this nasty looking swamp. This should be pretty entertaining, I reckon. Oh. Well, too easy for him. I'm not trying it though. My turn. Hey, the van life. I like it. Alright guys, well I reckon this is going to be the lunch spot. We'll just hang out for a bit and then probably go find our way up the river a bit more and then back through that track, because that track could be a bit challenging going back. But awesome day. I'm stoked how many have turned up. I think there's like 10 trucks, so considering I thought there'd be 1 or 2, I'm stoked. But yeah, it's awesome. Anyway, we'll have some lunch and then continue playing. We've all had lunch, had a look at each other's rigs and just chatted. Great bunch of people out today. But yeah, weather's unreal as well, considering it was meant to be raining. It's warm as, sunny, living the dream. Anyway, we're going to head back a slightly different way, avoid some of those mud holes so that we don't spend too long in them, and we'll go find some new tracks hopefully. So we'll jump in the truck and get into it.
It's really easy to check away bus. Oh, I don't know how I do it. The Land Rover.
Yeah.
Oh, played it.
I don't know. Give it the scene. We're going upstream into the flow as well.
Yes, it's going to be bad.
That's loose. Alrighty guys, well that's it for another video. Typical me, I forgot to film the outro, so here we are doing it now. But yeah, huge thank you to everybody who turned up. I know I said it a million times, but I genuinely expected like basically nobody to turn up, so I did a quick count. We got a total of 10 trucks turn up, so yeah, it was an awesome day, great bunch of people, and yeah, I think everyone just had a blast. So hope to see you guys all again. If you couldn't make this trip, don't worry, we will be doing more in the future. Coming up in the near future of the channel though, things are going to be taking a bit of a turn. We're doing a truck build. Won't say too much about that yet, apart from we are going racing, so that'll be pretty exciting. Got a few more coast trips coming up, so hit subscribe to stay tuned for all of that. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video, and yeah, let me know what you thought of it in the comments down below. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Cheers guys, see ya.